Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code coding agent similar to Claude and Cursor. It's called as CodeMate AI. If you go to the extensions tab, just type here CodeMate-AI. This extension will come right here. It's got 65,000 installs and it's a smart coding full stack agent which can perform any sort of task. It provides you with auto completions. You can actually ask any sort of questions in the chat prompt and it will generate the code for you. It can even optimize your code as well. It can even debug, review everything all in one extension. So it's completely free. Simply click the install button, and once you install this, they do offer their own official website as well. So this is their official website. You can visit in the browser codemate.ai. So this is a full stack AI coding agent, and you can see this is their landing page where they explain you about all the features which are there. So you can check out their pricing. They do have a pro plan which starts from $17 per month, and it's for individual developers and freelancers. It can debug, review and refactor your code, unlimited internet searches, CodeMate assistant access, search and chat, everything. So now to get started, simply install their extension. So now you can see in the background here it is downloading the CodeMate server. So once it reaches 100%, you will get a notification that it has successfully installed. So this is installing all the server related things which this extension supports, such as auto completions, all the chat related services. So that's why it is installing it in the background. So once you click the activate button, you will see this downloading will start. So just wait for the downloading to complete. So once it reaches 100%, you will see a notification. So if you check in the sidebar section, you will see this will add right here CodeMate. So simply click this to activate this. So after you click this, you will see a chat prompt appearing where you can actually ask questions to this extension. And so just wait for this to complete here. Once it reaches 100%, this extension will start. In the meantime, you can see the landing page here. So this is, if you click download now, this is their extension here. It supports 100 plus languages here. You can see Python, JavaScript, C, C++, TypeScript, Ruby. So it's an AI coding agent similar to Claude Cursor. So which basically generate code, fix errors, all this all in one extension. So this is the documentation. We can read more about it. So they do also have their own terminal as well, and also they also provide a web app as well. You can log in with your Google account here. So once you log in, you can create account here. So this is the web app here. And if you click the build section, so this is in all-in-one editor. You will see app.codemate.ai/build. So right here you will see this chat prompt. So here you can simply tell whatever application you want to develop. So right here in the chat prompt, similar to Claude and Cursor, you will simply say build a image to PDF web app. So simply send this, and now you can even choose the framework as well. Either you can build out a React application, Vue, Svelte, Solid, or a static, simple, fast, lightweight. So from this series of frameworks, you can select it. So let's suppose I want to build a static application which doesn't use any framework. So now this will try to build this application for me. You will see that it is generating all the project related files here. So you can see on the right hand side corner of the screen, it will generate the files, and it also deploy this application as well. So you can access it completely free. Just log in with your Google account, app.codemate.ai. Apart from their VS Code extension, they do offer the web interface as well. So you can basically see it is creating the code here, file by file. So you can click the view code section. So it is actually writing all the source code for us. So you just write the prompt here, and after that the coding it will automatically do in all the files here. So you can see that one by one it is generating all the code for you. So once it completes, it will show you the live preview. You also get this copy to clipboard button as well, or you can even download the code to your local machine as well. So just wait for the application to complete. You can even ask follow-up questions as well. Once it shows you the live preview, if you face any problem, you can ask a follow-up question as well. So it's just writing this, you will see it is generating all the code for you. So it also provides you with the publish button as well. So once the application completes, you can deploy this application to a unique URL. And now you can see it is writing the HTML file here. So now it will show you the live preview of the application. So you can share this application with your friends as well by clicking the publish button. If you click publish, it will try to deploy your application and go live instantly in a matter of seconds. You can even transfer the site to your Netlify account as well for advanced features. So now it's given you this URL right here. So now anyone can open this URL and see your application. So let me just, for verification, open an incognito window and simply type this address. So you can see your application is deployed. So right here you can select a bunch of images that you need to convert to PDF. So click on convert to PDF. So now here you can save your PDF file. Um, the file has been successfully downloaded, and you can see your images are successfully converted to a PDF file. So in this easy way, guys, you can see you can build out a full stack application using this CodeMate.ai platform. It's similar to Claude, Cursor, and Gemini. It's a great alternative, and they do offer their VS Code extension as well. Simply install this extension, which provides you with all the features. They do offer their web interface as well. If you don't want to install the VS Code extension, you can access their fully made IDE in the browser, app.codemate.ai. So definitely check out this platform, and also check out my